Hey, this is Todd Lewis with Tommy Williams Homes, Gainesville's green builder. We are out here in the Oakmont subdivision, and I have a rare opportunity for you. The house that's behind me was sold, and literally, no joke, one day before closing, the buyers couldn't come up with the money to close, so it's back on the market. A great opportunity. We normally don't have finished homes that aren't sold. In this case, we do, and this is a really beautiful home with some amazing upgrades. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, over 1,500 square feet for $345,000, and I want to take you inside and show you all the features they put in this home. Come with me. First off, they put in double French doors, opening up to the great room. And while we're in the great room, real quick, if we can look up, I want to point out they added 3 different tray ceilings in here. One in the great room, one in the kitchen, one in the owner's suite, and then this is actually a skylight opening up over the kitchen island. While we're in the kitchen here, I'll point out that they upgraded to this beautiful quartz countertop. It's called Helix. It's a Silestone product. We love it. Upgraded gas range, upgraded microwave. You can't see it, but there's an upgraded dishwasher here. They even added a wine fridge, extended the cabinets. Try not to hit my head on the chandelier. This beautiful chandelier, custom plantation shutter blinds. I'm going to take you out back in a second, but first I want to come over here and show you this gas fireplace that they put in with this contemporary glass tile. Beautiful. Behind these doors is the 3rd bedroom, but they added pocketing French doors to make this into an optional study, opening up right off the great room. Back over here we go. Before we go back, I just want to show you the owner's suite and the owner's bathroom. Not much to see in the owner's bedroom. They did do plantation shutter blinds, but in here in the bathroom, we have one of my favorite granites, new granite called White Vegas. It's really splashy. And if you can, I don't know how good it's going to show up in the picture, but the floor, the shower, and the wall is this awesome white and gray veined contemporary marble. Beautiful. Now I'll take you out back. Out back, they added even more upgrades, including paver patio, paver fire pit in this courtyard. They even added 4 Japanese blueberry bushes. Once again, rare opportunity. Homes like this aren't usually available. This one was sold, just came back on the market today. It's in MLS, so you can talk to your realtor. You can call 335-4140. That's area code 352-335-4140 and talk to Ashley about this, set up a showing, and you can find out more information about this home and all of our homes at TommyWilliamsHomes.com. Thanks so much.